and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a delicious recipe to make, and that is peanut soup. There are different methods of preparing this peanut soup, but today we will make this soup using roasted peanuts. I tell you, this soup is highly proteinous. You may want to make yours after this video. Without wasting time, let's get into the preparation. I have 4 cups of roasted peanuts in here. I'll grind 3 cups, but after grinding, we will use just 1 cup of the grinded peanuts for the peanuts. These peanuts are also called groundnuts because they are nuts that grow on the ground. Here is our pot, and here are the ingredients that will be going into the pot. Some pieces of chicken that have been cleaned, 1 cup of ground peanuts. I have my seasonings here. I'll be using my homemade mixed spice and my homemade ginger powder. Also, I have ground chili pepper here. Then 1 cup of onion paste, which I made in bulk and stored in the freezer to serve purposes like this. Measuring cups and spoons for measurements. Feel free to use any meat of your choice. So here is the chicken already in the pot, and I will be seasoning the chicken with 1 cup of onion paste, a 1/4 teaspoon of ginger, 1 tablespoon of mixed spice, 1 teaspoon of salt. Then we stir together and cover the pot. Allow to simmer under low flame for 5 minutes. Add 2 cups of water and allow to cook for 10 minutes. You add 1 cup of water, and at this point, you will add the palm oil, 1/2 cup of palm oil, 1 teaspoon of chili pepper. You can add more if you want the soup to be very spicy. Stir and cover for 2 minutes. Add the 1 cup of ground peanuts and stir. Allow to cook for 2 minutes, and then add 1 cup of water. Allow all this to cook for 5 minutes, and then your peanut soup is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you do. Share the video, leave your comments below, and don't forget to subscribe if you are yet to do so. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.